Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl CurvyBri and I am back with a new video. Here on this channel we talk a little bit about everything in our everyday lives, including electronics. So you guys, we have a reinstall and this is from the Nadula hair, and I got this off of Amazon. This is just one of their Glueless wigs, 16-inch body wave. I did curl this wig off of camera because I'm heading out the door, but then I just want to show you guys inside. There's 3 combs, an elastic band. It's so easy to put on. You kind of don't need glue with this wig, so I just use a little bit of mousse just to lay down the lace because it was sticking up a little bit, but everything is kind of self-explanatory. Okay, as you guys can see, this video was not that long. It's really not, and I was in and out of the door within a flash, so keep watching. So you guys, this is the final results and it's looking good. I feel good. Thank you guys for watching my video. Bye.